get to gawking off here and run off in one of them big mud holes. And I'm telling you, when you run off in one of them, that's going to be the end of it. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Out for a little ride today. Thought I'd go down here and check out the lake level. This is called Roaring River Arm. Let's see how much. I think it's going to be down pretty low. Because sometimes the water backs way up in here, and you can't even go down in this area. So as dry as it's been, I'm sure it's down really low. But at times it gets pretty muddy, swampy, ruddy down in here. Well, there's somebody down here anyway. Sometimes you come down here, there's nobody, and sometimes it's all kinds of people. See that mud over there? I'm not going to go through that. Uh-oh. Oh. I thought I couldn't go through here either, but it gets rutted out really bad. You see the ruts here. There's some people over there. Got a tent. So yeah, the water's way down. That water gets way up in here at times. Yeah, usually when I come down here and go fishing, it's up on that rock quite a ways. It's down, this is underwater here. So it's down pretty low. But this is the end of Roaring River where it comes actually and meets into the lake. And I ain't got no fishing pole with me, so I'm not riding dirt roads today, and the reason why is because I shouldn't say dirt roads, forest roads, because of the spider webs. You got in the forest right now? Holy cow, the spider webs are so bad. Look at all that trash. Idiots. The spider webs are so bad you just get covered in them. So that's what happens when it gets real hot and dry. May not be able to go through here nowhere. Yeah, this is blocked off. They're cutting trees down, I think, is what they're doing. Just to make it so people won't go through here. Or it could be just, well, that tree just broke off from storm. We can turn around. I've seen people stuck down here in the mud. Let's try this way. It's just some pretty, I don't think there's much rock out in here. It's all dirt and makes all mud. Oh yeah, somebody's been down here cutting trees down. That's probably what they was doing, cutting across the trail, and then people will just go ahead and, because they didn't cut the wood out of it. So obviously they're cutting the trees across the road, and then maybe people are making roads around it. That tree broke off over there, that big one. Huh. There's some hedge apples. A whole bunch of hedge apples around here. Across that sycamore limb. It's a lot different than it was. Seen something take off there. I don't know if it was a frog or a pretty good sized fish. We used to be able to go all the way down there, but I don't see a trail even down there now. Thought I had a stick in there. I was gonna walk down here and see if I could go through here, but it don't look like it. Somebody's been through here on a four-wheeler or something. So probably could right there. Big old mud puppy out there. There's a trout. Some suckers out there. Nice ones. It's a big old bluegill right there. Bluegill, some trout. See no bass. There's some nice fish out there. I have to come down here and see if I can catch something. But yeah, the trail's gone. Let's turn back around and go back out here. Take a dirt road home. Look at the size of that sycamore right there. Choose, these are all sycamores for the most part. Probably some elms. But get back out of here. Everybody has to, not everybody, I shouldn't say that, but a bunch of people always have to leave trash. Trash everywhere. It's ridiculous. That's what it is. I don't think there's another way around that way. It's the only one I see so far. I don't see anything over there. Get to gawking off here and run off in one of them big mud holes, and I'm telling you, when you run off of one of them, that's going to be the end of it. Because you sink. That's some nasty mud. Real nasty. Look at this over here. Look at that mud. Now that probably wouldn't be so deep you couldn't go through it, but it'd still be pretty nasty because it's hot out here, dry, and it gets stagnant. This one over here, now this one's probably nasty. Oh yeah, something bubbling up there. Well, I don't see it, but something moved. Wonder if there's a turtle in there. Probably is. Sometimes those bubbles just air pockets under the mud that come up through. No, I think there's a turtle under that mud. I can't tell. It's raised up right there. I'm thinking there's a turtle in there under that mud. Won't see it on the video worth a darn anyway. We come down here with the trash bags and do a cleanup. So we'll get back out of this road. That's all there is to the road too. But this is a Roaring River arm, what they call it, Southwest Missouri.